Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my secret strategy for Clickbank affiliate marketing, strategy that I'm using to make $5,000 on Clickbank. And also I will show you some really important informations, so you must watch entire video, because if you miss those informations, then this won't work. But before we begin, please like this video, and if you didn't already, please subscribe to my channel and turn all notifications on so you don't miss any of my new videos. With that being said, let me just jump in my computer and we are going to start. First thing you need to do, you need to go on YouTube and you need to find influencers in your niche, people who are popular in your niche. And I'm in Make Money Online niche, and by the way, I'm not using this tactic in Make Money Online, I'm using this tactic in some other niches. But like I said, this video is about Make Money Online, so I will search for Kevin David. He's the first one who came across my mind, and he's the big name in Make Money Online. He has more than 1 million subscribers on YouTube. So here in search bar I will type Kevin David and click search. And here you can see all the Kevin David related videos. And as you can see, not all videos are uploaded by Kevin David. Some of the videos are uploaded by some other people. Some people call him scammer, some people call him genius, but they all uploaded Kevin David videos. And if you are wondering what all of this has to do with Clickbank affiliate marketing, stay with me, it will make sense. And the next thing we need to do is we need to go on vidIQ. And I know that many of you don't have money or don't have enough experience and you don't want to invest any money yet. So I'm using a free version, but when I'm doing research for myself, I'm using a pro version. But like I said, you can install a free version, it will get the job done. So I will click here on vidIQ and then click on Keyword Inspector. And here I will type Kevin David and click search. And as you can see, 457,000 people are searching for Kevin David on YouTube. Competition is medium. Overall score is 62. So this is actually a not good, it's not quite good influencer for us. So we need to search for some other influencers. So I will click here and let's search for, let's say, Branson Tay. I will type Branson Tay and click search. And as you can see, 178,000 people are searching Branson Tay on YouTube. Competition is low. Overall score is 70. So this is better. But we need to find even better influencers. So I will search for, let's say, John Crestani, for example. And I will type John Crestani and click search. As you can see, 235,000 people are searching for John Crestani on YouTube. Competition low, but overall score is 68. So I need to find someone even better. So let's just search for Franklin Hatchett. Franklin Hatchett. And click search. And as you can see, 194,000 people are searching for Franklin Hatchett on YouTube. Competition is very low. Overall score is 76. Ideal overall score is 100, but that is impossible. So this is actually a good influencer for us. So let's just search for Franklin Hatchett on YouTube. I will exit of vidIQ and I will type here Franklin Hatchett. And click here. And here we can see all the Franklin Hatchett related videos. As you can see, most of these videos are actually uploaded by Franklin Hatchett himself. So Franklin Hatchett is our influencer. And again, what all of this has to do with Clickbank affiliate marketing? Well, I know that all of these guys, Kevin David, John Crestani, Branson Tay, Franklin Hatchett and others, they all have their own products. They all have their own courses, softwares or something else. So for example, you will find this product, Amazon FBA Zone Ninja Masterclass by Kevin David. Or when you go on Clickbank, you will find Super Affiliate System by John Crestani. And like I said, most of these guys have their own products. And you can apply this technique not just on Make Money Online, but in all other niches. And what you need to do, you need to actually make a video review of their product and upload it on YouTube. And you will need to invest some money because you need to buy their product so you can do a review. But you will get that money back. In some smaller niches, you can actually ask for access to so-called light version, where they give you access to some parts of their product and they keep some more important parts of that product locked. But you can still do a review of that product and upload it on YouTube. Next part is really important. It can literally change your life, so pay close attention. We found our influencer, we found our product, and we did a video review of that product, and now we need to upload that video on YouTube. And let's go back on YouTube. And Franklin Hatchett is actually not our influencer. Franklin Hatchett is our main keyword. And as we saw on vidIQ, competition for Franklin Hatchett keyword is very low, and almost 200,000 people are searching that keyword on YouTube, so we can easily rank in top 5 results on YouTube for Franklin Hatchett keyword. And all you need is a good thumbnail and a good title, and that is not hard to do. For thumbnail, for example, you can say on that thumbnail Franklin Hatchett, scam or real, and trust me, people who are searching for Franklin Hatchett on YouTube will click on that thumbnail. And I know this guy Franklin Hatchett, I know he is not scam, I'm using some of his tactics and I know they are working. And I'm currently testing one of his tactics and I will show you that tactic in next few days when I get results. And I know that one of his products is called Savage Affiliate. So for title you can say something like Franklin Hatchett, Savage Affiliate, my honest review. And when you combine that title and that thumbnail, trust me, people will click on that video. People will watch that video. And we saw that almost 200,000 people are searching for Franklin Hatchett on YouTube. And if your video gets just 5,000 views, and if you made worst video on YouTube, you will still make at least 5 sales. And after this, I can go and make video review of Kevin David's product, Branson Tay's product, John Crestani product, Investor Plus product, and so many other people. And this is how I make $5,000 per month. And you can apply this exact same Clickbank affiliate marketing tactic on all other niches. And you too can start making at least $50 per day. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.